Welcome again to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your meat in a more spicy way and in a way that will give you a better taste, and of course it's healthier. In this video, in this meat preparation, I'm not going to be using cubes, and so I have here with me some amazing natural spices, and that's going to actually help your body, help your immune system, help different parts of your body. So you know that as you are eating meat, you are also helping your body. This here is goat meat. So with me here I have my onion. I have onion already blended, garlic already blended, and ginger already blended. And so I'm going to pour in this, and then I have my here is Maggi crayfish and Uziza seeds. So I'm going to be taking just this, not so much, and then put it on it. Let me add it so, and here with me is my amazing spice mix. Actually mixed like 4 spices in this, all natural. It's going to, in fact, it's already giving me a very nice aroma as I was blending it together. So I'm just going to take this and put it in, and then I'll put it on the cooker for it to cook. I'm not going to put water yet, so that it will marinate, it will get into the meat. Then later I will put in the desired amount of water. So here is my meat. This is the water from the meat. I have not added any other water. So right now I'm going to add my desired quantity of water. I have already added salt to it. I'm going to add my desired quantity of water so I will have enough meat stock to use in other things I want to use it for. So here's my water. I'm going to pour it in. So here's the outcome. Here is the meat already cooked. The aroma is amazing. You want to try this out. The list of natural spices are in the information center. You can check there and do yours. And if you want to keep having more recipes like this, do well to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, do well to also turn on the notification bell so that you can have notifications when I post a new video every week. And if you got value from this, do well to also share this, drop your questions in the comments. And yes, don't go yet, the next video is there because you're going to get a lot of value from that video. So go right there, watch it, take action on what you've learned, and I see you in the next video. Bye.